So now we've looked at a few animals and what they eat, we're going to look at a sort of a basic food chain. So here we have one, we have some seeds, a shrew or a mouse, and then a fox. So the arrows show the direction that energy is transferred. So the reason why we eat food is to gain energy in order to do things like move, to breathe. So the shrew eats the seeds to get its energy, its vitamins, everything like that. And then the fox eats the shrew for the same reason. So which animal is missing from this food chain? Is it going to be the owl or is it going to be the frog? When you answer this question, have a look at how the grasshopper gets its energy from grass by eating grass. The shrew eats the grasshopper. What do you think is going to eat the shrew or the mouse?